We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and as it's going back downwards, we are seeing this fight between the 180s and the $2 range, and we're going to break it all down in today's video. We're going to look at the data together, and I'm going to share my honest, humble opinion of what the charts are showing, and we're going to look at it with Ultimate 42 Vision. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. They were phenomenal and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with these charts. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning, TSRI, SBEV, and both of them turned out to be a home run, guys. Here we caught SBEV in the pre-market, and you could see that strength going into 42 Vision, the bull indicator, and in a matter of just minutes in the pre-market, it went up nearly 10 to 20%. Got that bear indicator, pulled downwards, reversed back with strength, another bull indicator, and hit a highest point of 20% plus, guys. All collectively reaching between 30 to 40% in a matter of just minutes. Now, TSRI, we caught this one as it was pulling downwards, hit a low here of about 1163, started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator, and took off to a highest point of 25% plus. If you guys want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. So here we are with Prog, and we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision for everyone to go ahead and be able to see clearly what's been going on, because things have been pretty short-lived in the charts. Now, you can gain access to Ultimate 42 Vision as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators. By receiving that, you will gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the market. So yesterday the stock was pulling back, and I stated in a live video that it was pushing upwards, and it hit the 190s as I was doing the video. If you watch towards the end, you could see that, and I stated that it was upon a possible reversal based off the 30-minute and the 4-hour having the white with red borders. Now, it did do a slight reversal, but it was very short-lived, right? It jumped from about 180 to the 190s. That was about a 5% move. Now, some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others, and you could see another weak reversal here trying to fight from 2 to 220, which was about 10%. And that's exactly almost what happened here. It went from 180 all the way up to 196. You do the math, that is just about almost 10%, like 8 to 10%. It got a bull indicator today in the pre-market, but it didn't hold up, guys. It got rejected pretty fast, came back down, and now back in the 180s, it hit a bear indicator slightly below that bull indicator. Now, when we zoom out and we look at the 4-hour, we could see how this has been under a bear indicator since way up here at $2. I stated that was an important support level, and if we broke through it, we would retest the lows down here, and if it couldn't bounce back up, there was no real strength. And if it tried to bounce back up and it couldn't get over $2, it was going to get rejected eventually and retest this low of 180 and possibly hit a new all-time low that we have not seen since the peak up here of $6. And this has just been in a downtrend, right? This has been taking a beating, and we're going to talk about why it actually has had the little jump that we saw yesterday into today, and now it's actually falling all over again. And we're going to talk about this because this point of data has been the most important point of data I've been talking about since way up here in the 260s and all the way down through November and December, right? We've been following this one for some time, and I stated way back here in September to October that this was a stock you wanted to watch in the 140s and 120s. I can pull up that video for you guys right now. It's out there. I posted it, I believe it was October 4th or 5th, and I stated it may not make sense now, and if it retests lows down here towards 130, 120, this could eventually start to reverse, and it is a short squeeze play that is in the works, and a lot of people are watching. And look what happened. Went all the way up towards 620. Took several jumps and pullbacks, but from way down here all the way up to this spike, it nearly 5x'd. Now, we have been in a downtrend, and I've talked about how important $2 always has been. We saw it break out from it one time in December 6th and the 5th, and then it jumped all the way up here to $3, and that's when things started to look like it was getting better, and it's just been clobbered down. And I've always stated, breaks through $2, we are certainly going to have trouble staying above it, and if the bulls can't get back above it fairly quickly, we could touch down towards 180, 150, and this is where we're at right now. Okay, this is my honest, humble opinion, and I've been sharing with you guys the data, right? The 1.9 days to cover is decent, but not high enough. Short interest float, a lot of covering has happened behind the scenes, and then the same covering is turned back into shorting, and we've seen it in the data together for the last several weeks and months. Those of you watching my videos, and if it's your first time coming across this video, you may want to stay up to date to everything that we've been watching, because we've talked about this one before it took off, and we've talked about it on the way down. Now, the short volume ratio is 51%, and we're going to look at that data together right now, what's going on. So the short shares availability went from 1.7 million to 2.2 million, okay? That shows us that covering has happened. Well, from yesterday to today, it went from 179 all the way up to 196. That's a pretty big move if you really think about it. Not big enough like a short squeeze, but big move in just 2 days. After going downwards straight for 3 days straight, almost a fourth day, that's a pretty big move. But I have stated that this short interest keeps on getting smaller, because remember, this used to be at 18 and 20% and even above 20% at one point, and it's been jumping around, and it's now down to 14. The lower this goes, the less of strength you will see from the potential possible short squeezes or small jumps like we're seeing right now, because the short shares have gone up by 500,000, and then also we have seen from 56 short volume to 51 in the last 2 days, and you could see it here in the charts reflecting. But like I've told you guys, this days to cover is giving them flexibility, the shorts and the bears, to go ahead and re-short it. Another thing as well is a lot of bulls, as soon as they start seeing it going back up, they start cashing out, either taking small profits after they've been averaging down on the way down and they start going up, or breaking even, or cutting the losses short, right? Instead of cutting the losses down here at 180, they're trying to get as high as they can, and as soon as they see the rejection, they get out, and then this just helps the shorts and the bears take control again of the charts, guys. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. If this breaks through 180, the next support is 150. If this goes back up, we need to see this break through $2 and stay above it, and then we can start reanalyzing everything. But the main thing I'm going to be watching is how the 30-minute continues to play out, and if this 4-hour could try to reverse and get a bull indicator, or if this bear indicator from way up here at $2.07 will continue to hold true. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 Vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.